But just to finish off, the other points here are kind of related and supporting. If we're clear strategy is necessary to achieve purpose, and that governance facilitates information decision making to make that happen, and we have a governance operating model to make sure that that happens, and it's just not by luck. Then the principle here is information underpins governance, accountability, and assurance. So we need quality information to do that. And the driving principle then is that and data underpins information. So we need to have assurance and clarity and confidence in the data. I think this point is we've discussed this, and Chris has talked about it a little bit as well. And
There's another
the
thing I'd throw in here, David, which is data and data structures must be designed to
yeah,
appropriately underpin
yeah.
information and decisioning, because I see a lot of data that is people will go away and mine it, thinking it might be useful, but actually they're using data that was never designed to be used for that reason, and therefore it's very easy to challenge whether it supports a decision or whether it confuses a decision.
So I would chat to probably a mutual acquaintance of ours who's interested in data in the good old days about propensity in some quarters to pile up data as high as a mountain and analytics to be schneebelies out of it to try and get the result that's appropriate. But my attitude is that instead of being a finding mine and go find, have that approach to data. We think about what we need to make decision making with, and we drive the process to get that information and assure the process to achieve it with. So in
Agreed.
the principle, data underpins information. That should be a pull process, not they pile it up as high as a mountain and manufacture some kind of insight from it. Although we do, of course, need to manufacture to have insights, but pull data through rather than pile it up and get lucky.
And just to go full chicken and egg, data needs to be governed.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. So so in I know organizations where they just simply do not treat data as important. They will we can joke the salespeople that can't keep their CRM data up to scratch, the people that don't fill out their timesheets. There's to me there's a micro sort of culture here, but a micro level of culture here, but it all drives towards the overall business culture about treating data as vital to underpin governance, accountability, and assurance. And the last box on the list with 2 minutes to go is independent assurance provides check and balance. So that's
Absolutely
the
imperative.
so it's the this culture of safety and ability to challenge without getting shot, but also then having the ability to provide that independent check and balance. So there's a couple of levels of resource there, aren't there? There's the executive sponsorship, there's the support for the process and the independent assurance to make sure it's all tickety boo.